This video explains how cancer develops in the body. It shows how normal cells grow and divide, how mutations cause abnormal cells to form a mass called a tumor, and how malignant tumors can invade nearby tissues and spread to other organs, highlighting the process of cancer formation. Cancer occurs in the cells of living organisms and can affect almost any tissue or organ in the body. In humans, it commonly develops in organs such as the lungs, breast, colon, skin, and liver. The process begins when normal cells grow uncontrollably due to genetic mutations, environmental factors, or lifestyle influences. These abnormal cells form tumors that can invade surrounding tissues or spread to other parts of the body, a process called metastasis. Cancer disrupts the normal functioning of affected organs and can weaken the immune system. Early detection, healthy lifestyle choices, and medical interventions are crucial to manage its impact. Understanding how cancer develops helps in awareness, prevention, and treatment. Education empowers individuals to recognize symptoms, seek timely care, and reduce risk. The normal process of cell growth and division is crucial for living organisms. It allows the body to grow, repair damaged tissues, and replace old or dead cells, ensuring survival and proper functioning. This controlled process maintains balance within organs, supports the immune system, and helps the body respond to injuries and infections. However, when cell growth becomes uncontrolled, it leads to cancer, which can disrupt organ function, weaken the immune system, and threaten life. Understanding this process is important because it highlights the fine balance between healthy cell division, which sustains life, and abnormal growth, which can cause serious harm. Awareness of how cancer develops helps in prevention, early detection, and effective treatment. It also encourages healthy lifestyle choices, regular checkups, and prompt medical intervention, ultimately increasing chances of survival and long-term well-being. Cancer occurs when normal cells grow uncontrollably. Normally, cells divide to replace old or damaged cells, maintaining healthy tissues. Mutations in DNA can disrupt this process, causing abnormal cells to form a tumor. Benign tumors stay in one place, but malignant tumors invade tissues and spread, a process called metastasis. Cancer can affect any organ, weaken the body, and evade the immune system. Early detection, healthy lifestyle choices, and timely medical care help prevent and treat it. Understanding how cancer develops helps us stay aware, recognize symptoms early, and take action to protect our health and well-being. Yes, variations in tumors occur. Not all tumors are cancerous. Benign tumors grow slowly, stay in one place, and usually do not harm the body. They are generally good or harmless. Malignant tumors, on the other hand, grow quickly, invade nearby tissues, and can spread to other organs, making them dangerous or bad. Some cancers are more aggressive than others, while some grow very slowly. Certain genetic mutations or environmental factors can also influence how tumors behave. Understanding these variations is important for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. This knowledge helps doctors decide whether surgery, medication, or monitoring is needed to protect health and improve outcomes. Here's an interesting fact. Not all cancer cells die even when treated. Some can hide, become resistant, and return later, which is why ongoing research is crucial. Scientists around the world are developing new treatments, including personalized medicine and immunotherapy, to target cancer more effectively. Understanding how cancer works helps us prevent it, detect it early, and save lives. Knowledge truly is the first step in fighting this disease,